1. Dry your feet thoroughly after showering or swimming. Make sure you completely dry your feet after you swim or shower to ensure your feet stay healthy. If your feet are damp, they will be more susceptible to a fungal infection. 2. Wear shoes that fit well and let your feet breathe. Since tight shoes can cause your toenails to thicken over time, be sure that your shoes fit well and don't crowd your toes. In addition, choose shoes that allow your feet to breathe. This will help prevent fungus from growing. 3. Wear clean socks every day. Clean, fresh socks will help keep your feet dry, so put on a fresh pair every day. If you sweat a lot or if you get your feet wet, you may need to change your socks more often. 4. Wear flip-flops in public showers and around swimming pools. Fungal infections and bacteria prefer warm, damp places, so you are most likely to be exposed to them in places like public showers, swimming pools, and gym locker rooms. Protect your feet by wearing sandals or shower shoes.